I'll move directly to products, requisition. This form needs to be filled procedurally. That means you can't fill it from the right, left, or bottom, top, or up direction. So just as the procedure says, select store or shop to get items into the list. That means you cannot select these particular items before you select which particular shop needs these particular items. So which store or shops need the items? This is the shop that is requesting, right? So I'll say selling store needs these particular items. Now, which store or shop should issue these particular items? Which store or shop has got this particular stock and it should give it to this particular first store which we initially selected. That is what that means. So we'll select the main store should give the selling store this particular products. Now, before I proceed further, I'll come here and go into the item profile, that is soda 500 ml, and we see that in the selling store there are 10, in the main store there are 135. Now, this particular requisition, once approved, will automatically initiate that particular internal transfer. Now, I'll proceed. I'll search for my soda. We are at 135, that is in the main store, and that is what we can also see here. And if I proceed, how many do I want? I want 5. I don't have, for internal requisitions, you don't have to specify any price here. But then if you have notes, then you can put it down there. Now, this particular version also enables you to have this particular multiple items request. That means you can add very many items into this particular form, and of course with those particular pre-filled details, and then just submit. So internal requisition will send an email, of course, to the admin or to the persons concerned, and the text configuration is also feasible. If you do the set or if you set the text notifications upon internal requisition, then the respective guys or people will receive those particular text notifications. So a requisition has been made, and it has been made using this particular Caroline profile, and you can see the status of the requisition. This Caroline is still pending, and it was done at this particular time. Now, in the action area, version 3 comes with this particular edit link that is in the action column. If I click action, then click edit, I can edit this particular requisition. I can even add more items and even remove, edit the quantities, change the items. So that is something that is not, or which is not in the earlier versions of JiPOS. So you can edit that, and that can only be applicable before an approval is made. So I'm just going to log out and log in as admin. I'll go to products requisition. I'll see the request made by Caroline. I'll just click action, view, and if I want to approve this, I can just select approve. If I want to cancel it, I'll select cancel, or if I want to suspend it, can select suspend, and of course Caroline will get that particular notification by text.